Hi everybody, and hi to the pretty bird flock. So we found a big puddle in the grass, and Pretty Bird is currently trying to figure out if she likes it or not. What do you think, Pretty Bird? Her little feet are sinking into the water. What do you think? What do you think, Pretty Bird? You like it? Huh? Let's see if she does this again. I did this thing a minute ago. Come on, Pretty. Come on. You feel the water on your feet? See, it's not so bad. I'm gonna get my feet and my shoes and my socks all wet because of you. What do you think, Pretty Bird? Hmm? Oh, Pretty. You gonna play? You gonna play? The num-nums? Pretty Bird, look, num-num. Oh. Pretty Bird. Come here, look. Pretty Bird, look, num-num. There's my Pretty Bird backpack. You getting your num-nums? Are you getting your num-nums? Ooh, what do you see? What do you see? Hmm? It's okay. You see somebody on a skateboard? What's she doing? What's he doing? Where you going? Pretty Bird. Where are you going? What are you doing? Yeah? Cuckoo. She's just so unsure about that stupid puddle. That's Pretty Bird for you. So spoiled. Just because you can't see your feet. Because you can't see the ground. And here's the irony. She was just thirsty, so she went to her bowl of water instead of taking a sip from this puddle, which every other goose in the world would have done. But oh no. She's checking it out. Finally, she's doing it. Shh, we're gonna scare her away. Be quiet. Bibber, whisper, whisper, whisper. Whisper, 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 whisper. Nom nom. There we go. It's okay, I got you. I got your back. You're good. It's okay. Now this right here, an area like this, for a wild goose, is like goose heaven. Because they got like water and grass together, which is literally perfect combination for them to be eating. And again, this is not a normal thing for Arizona. This will be evaporated within, I don't know, probably a couple hours. This will be gone, if that. This is accumulation from like the sprinklers. What are you doing? There you go. Good girl. I'm literally standing in water so that you'll get into this puddle. So get in the puddle. There you go. Good girl. Oh, play, play. I was hoping her instincts would kick in, and they are. They're kicking in. By the way, her feet have completely healed. I wouldn't be letting her into something like this otherwise. Just a side note. The owie she had on her foot, we were able to get it to go away without any infection. What are you doing, pretty bird? Are you playing? Are you playing? Are you being a big bird? Yeah, good girl. Yes, good goose, goose. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 pretty bird. Nom, nom. You're such a cute goose, you know that? Yes, you are. Oh, look at all the new feathers. You guys see that? That is a rare look at what it looks like. Those were all of Pretty Bird's new feathers growing in. It's okay. See, like, watch how sensitive it is. She does not want me to have anything to do with that. And I don't blame her. I barely touched it. I really very carefully touched that. Very barely. And she's like, nope. No. No taking stuff out of my bag. Oh, go get your num-nums. A tree just fell. Well, a branch just fell. All the way over there. Let's see. And that tree right there. And it was, let's see. Right there, this big one there hanging down right here. All of this is hanging down, unstable. So Pretty Bird and I, before we leave here, are probably gonna go take a quick look. Make sure nothing got hurt when